so that means all positive numbers are not solutions.
Right number. Since negative times negative is always positive, it can't be -1. And when x is 0, since 0 times 0 is 0, so whether x is positive, 0, or negative, this equation doesn't hold.
Correct. So the conclusion for this equation's solutions is
O, in terms of quantity, 0.
Yes, exactly right. So as you see, the number of solutions to an equation can vary. There are those with no solution, meaning 0. Those with one solution. Those with multiple solutions. And those with infinitely many solutions.
Wow, I thought there was always one solution.
Horror.
So, for instance, for this equation with 4 solutions, isn't it okay to find just the solution x equals 0?
Well, it depends on what you mean by okay. Of course, finding one solution is not meaningless. And depending on the situation, finding just one solution might be enough. But isn't finding all solutions like understanding the equation perfectly?
I see.
Horror. Especially when there is no context of applying mathematics to something.
So, solving an equation is like completely understanding it.
Yes, exactly, that's the idea. Now, let's consider the cases where there are 2 or more variables.
S.
For example, an equation with 2 variables is like this, right?
Is this.
Can you find one solution to this equation?
Leave it to Nimacon.
Horror.
The sum should be 5, so... Oh, I got it. If x equals 2 and y equals 1, the equation becomes 5 equals 5, so it holds.
Right. And since this is an equation x and y, the pair of values x equals y equals 1 forms one solution.
So x and y together play the same role as the previous single variable x.
Exactly. Good explanation.
Hee.
And just like this for
it's complicated.
Horror. Don't mix up the number of variables and the number of solutions. Essentially, we're talking about how many pairs of x equals circle, y equals square that satisfy the equation are there.
Oh, that makes sense.
Horror. Now the first example.
If I can make all the terms on the left-hand side 0, it's okay. I got it. If x equals 0 and y equals 0, the equation becomes 0 equals 0, so it holds.
Good job, Nimacon. To sum it out, for this equation, there is the only solution you just found, Nimacon.
Nimacon. It's me.
Horror. Then how about this one?
Well, there are lots of x and y. How should we think about this?
Horror. Alright, here's a hint. At first glance, the left side seems complicated, but this part, and this part, and this part are all multiplied together, right?
Right, if we substitute x equals 0, y equals 0 like before, it becomes like this. So this part becomes 0 just like before. That means the left side consists of multiplications with 0, so it becomes 0. And the whole equation holds as 0 equals 0.